Let me show you how to connect external storage such as hard drive or SSD or even a flash drive to your Samsung Galaxy Tab S11, also S11 Ultra. So basically, if your hard drive or flash drive has got this regular USB port, you will also need adapter like this, which essentially converts a regular USB to Type-C. So you see, for example, I can connect. So simply plug in my Type-C. So the port I use to charge my tablet essentially. So you see it also like kind of blinks, and also if you like pull down from this corner here, you see you have this USB storage added. So you can also like click directly here to go basically to the storage, basically. Or also if you want to do it later, so you see you can also like swipe up and simply go to the My Files application. So this is what we have here. Also click here to expand this, and you see like switch between the internal storage, USB storage here. So then also if you want to format it, maybe you can also like click these three dots here and click format here as well if you need that. So if you want to transfer some documents or pictures or videos to this drive, essentially we would, for example, go in the videos. So select the videos you want. For example, you can hold, or again you can also like drag and select multiple different ones. So you see you have this option to move or copy. So let's click copy, select USB storage here. Next, simply select some folder you have on your drive where you want to copy, or also you can like click this to make even new folder here as well. So let's do that. Select it and copy here, for example. It will take a while to copy, so let's wait. And you see, copy completed. Next, as you see, you can go over here and basically in the USB storage, if you open up the folder, you see I have basically those files copied. And if you want to if you're done really, so you can easily remove this as well. Or also as well, if you have like spinning drive, like regular old HDD. So again, make sure to go over here and click unmount before actually pull it out, otherwise it might create some problems. But for a flash drive or SSD, you do not really have to do it. Okay, good luck.